The new security setting in the shop can be found at the section Licenses/Depots. Scrolling down, you will find the new headline Security Settings. With this function, you can select a level of security that you want to apply for your account. The selections you can make contain bundled arrays of already known security features. Naturally, the option Standard Security already offers the most important functions for your account security, so worry not. If you wanted to further increase the level of security for your account and all of your users globally, you can easily manage them here. The option Default Web Access setting for new spaces can be set separately. If one of the 3 security presets are selected, the additional setting for the web access will override the specific rule for the level of security you had selected. Changing the default security setting for the web access colors the symbol yellow only for information purposes. If you have selected a higher level of security but don't own a master password yet, you are prompted to set one. Please do make sure to note down this password. It is best practice to write it down physically, for example on a piece of paper. The superpin should be treated with equal caution. If you have any further questions regarding the individual security features, visit our linked FAQ sites within the info box as well as visit our video tutorials.